Responding to the Euro 6 legislation, Renault Trucks offers the best technology for its customers to ensure they can duly fulfill their role within society. Renault Trucks has further improved its SCR technology to ensure a high level of performance, reliability and optimized consumption to provide value for its customers. Here's how it works. Once past the air filter, the air is conducted into the turbo, where it is compressed and its speed accelerated. As a result, it is heated, so it passes through an intermediate radiator to ensure optimum filling of the engine. Once combustion is complete, the gases pass into the exhaust manifold and are conducted towards the after-treatment unit. This fulfills several key functions in reducing emissions. The first step in processing the gases takes place in the catalytic converter, which oxidizes the gases and converts them into carbon dioxide and water molecules. The particulate filter then burns the soot and removes 95% of these particles. During this phase, the carbon atoms are converted by the nitrogen oxides. Simultaneously, the urea is converted into ammonia, which is injected into the SCR filters. This enables the nitrogen oxides to be converted into dinitrogen and water. The cleaned gases are then discharged through the exhaust. This is what happens during periods of low engine temperature, which is the case during urban cycles, for example. In this case, the EGR valve opens and returns some of the hot gases to the intake. This helps limit the production of nitrogen oxides. The back pressure from the exhaust brake can also help raise the temperature during these cycles. During operation, the particulate filter continuously burns the soot emitted from combustion. During the phases of harder use, fuel is injected into the exhaust pipe to transform the soot into ash. The regeneration is described as active and takes place while traveling. The Renault Trucks engineers have carefully designed the particulate filter to allow easy maintenance. This preventative maintenance is essential for maintaining the performance of your vehicle.